thanks for watching. My name is Ryan. For those of you who do not know, taking off for Australia in 17 days. Before that, I will be in California for approximately 9 days. So I take off on the 6th of May to Australia, but I will be leaving my hometown on the 26th. And so from California, I'll be staying with some friends and family, and then I'll just be seeing them and enjoying their company. And then after that, I take off straight from LA to Sydney, which is approximately 16 hours of a flight. But people ask me, like, why Australia? Like, why in the world would you want to go clear across the country, clear across the bloody world to go see Australia? Like, it's the butthole of the continent, right? Hell no. Australia is like a very unique place. The wildlife's insane. Yeah, you got crazy snakes, you got lizards, and you got big ass kangaroos, but I mean, it's just always been a dream of mine to go out to the land down under because, I mean, why not? I've got multiple reasons on why. And it could be just because my hero when I was a kid was Steve Irwin, was the crocodile. Very tragic what happened to him. It's life. Anyway, getting off topic. I want to go down there, experience their culture firsthand. I want to go into marine biology and wildlife biology, so I want to get firsthand experience of that. I want to get experience firsthand because I don't want to look at the inside of a textbook all day and be like, wow, I don't want to do this. What have I been wasting my money, my time on? So that's why. I want to go down there, I want to scuba dive, I want to experience the wildlife firsthand, and I want to see where my life can take me. Other than that, guys, I will be blogging, recording the adventures. I'll be scuba diving, as I said, and I will be exploring the outback. And from there, who knows? I might go to New Zealand, I might go to Indonesia. We'll see. I've got a full year on a working holiday out there. So, I mean, yeah, it's freaky going clear across the world on my own, but you can't let fear hold you back, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll keep you posted. The last words to the older brother?
Goodbye.
Oh, harsh.
Just kidding.
Anyway, guys, take off today. I will be in California for about 8 days, and then after that, I will be in Sydney. I'll see you there. Hey everyone, Ryan here. It's been a long day. I just got to the hostel about a few hours ago. Had a little bit of a crazy thing going on with flights through LA to Sydney. I didn't have a lot of time to vlog. I was talking to a lot of people that I just met, and I met a couple really cool people from Peru, and now I'm just downtown in Gold Coast. I'm staying at a hostel right now. We're about ready to go have a wild night, and I just thought I would give you guys an update. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'm gonna go get some food and go get a really nice cold beer. So catch you guys on the other side. Everyone, Ryan here, day 3 in Australia. Look at that spider. Ah, gross. Anyway guys, I'll give you guys a quick introduction to the people here in a little bit. We're actually gonna head to the nightclub here in just a second, so I'll just give you guys a quick update. But other than that guys, you guys have a wonderful night. I will keep you posted.